Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're back at Costco with another exciting roundup of amazing deals. The latest Costco coupon book is out, and I go beyond just listing prices. I track price histories, compare past promos, and give you real recommendations on when it's a smart time to buy. Quick behind-the-scenes note. When I'm not filming or editing these videos, I'm out delivering for DoorDash and Uber to help support my family, and to slowly build this channel into something meaningful. I'm still learning the ropes of editing and content creation, so thanks in advance if you notice a few rough edges here and there. Since this is a brand new channel, every like, comment, or subscription truly makes a huge difference. It's not just support, it's what helps this channel grow and reach more deal-savvy shoppers like you. If you're all about making your money go further and catching deals at the perfect time, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this month's can't-miss Costco finds. Here we go! We're kicking off this new round of Costco finds with Kevin's Cilantro Lime Chicken. Now just $10.49, thanks to a $3.50 instant rebate valid through June 8th. This 32-ounce pack of fully cooked chicken breast strips is served in a zesty chimichurri-style sauce and packs 20 grams of protein per serving. It's also gluten-free, made with no artificial ingredients, and raised without antibiotics. The McCormick Grill, mates Montreal steak seasoning, 29 ounces, is now just $5.49 at Costco after a $2 instant rebate, down from the regular $7.49 price. This bold, iconic blend of coarse salt, black pepper, red pepper, garlic, and paprika delivers the ultimate flavor for steaks, burgers, pork, seafood, and even grilled veggies. Next up is a classic fridge staple, Kraft American Singles. You're getting a massive 4-pound pack with 96 individually wrapped slices, now on sale for $8.59, down from $12.59. That's a solid $4 off through June 8th. Each slice has just 50 calories, 2 g of saturated fat, and 0 added sugar. Plus, it's a good source of calcium and protein, perfect for grilled cheese, sandwiches, or late-night snacks. Next up is the Sabatino's Chicken Garlic Sausage, a flavorful option perfect for breakfast, grilling, or adding to your favorite pasta. This 48-ounce pack is now just $9.99, down from $13.79 with an instant rebate valid through June 8th. Each link has 160 calories and delivers 16 grams of protein, with only 2 g of carbs. Made with chicken and seasoned with garlic, you get a total of 16 links per pack. Tattooed Chef's Organic Acai Bowls are a refreshing and nutritious way to start your day. Made with organic acai, strawberries, blueberries, and bananas, this vegan and gluten-free option is also USDA organic certified and ready to eat after a quick thaw. Each bowl contains 180 calories with topping and delivers a vibrant mix of fruit flavors and textures. This is a solid freezer staple. Now just $8.99 after $4 off through June 8th, 2025 at Costco. We're kicking off this episode with these French chocolate croissants from La Boulanger are dangerously good, and now dangerously affordable at just $5.99 after $3 off. You get 16 individually wrapped pastries made with real butter and filled with silky chocolate. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no high fructose corn syrup. Perfect for breakfast, lunchboxes, or sneaking one late at night when everyone else is asleep. Here's a sweet deal, literally. The Kirkland Signature Organic Maple Syrup 1L is now just $9.99 after $3 off. This is 100% pure U.S. grade A maple syrup with a rich taste and beautiful amber color, perfect for pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, or even baking. Each 2 tablespoon serving has 110 calories and delivers pure, natural sweetness without any added ingredients. Here's a fun and easy snack or appetizer. Del Real Quesadilla Bites with 3 cheeses are $10.99 for a 32-ounce box. These are stuffed corn quesadillas, ready to heat and serve, perfect for quick bites or party platters. I've seen these fly off the freezer shelves, so if you love cheesy, crispy snacks, this is one to grab on your next Costco run. Pete's Major Dickinson's Dark Roast is back on sale. $34.99 for a big 75-count box of K-Cup pods, regularly $42.99. This rich, full-bodied roast is a fan favorite for a reason, delivering bold flavor and smooth intensity in every cup. Whether you're fueling your mornings or powering through long workdays, great value for premium coffee at under 47 cents a pod. Here's a comfortable summer essential. Greg Norman men's stretch shorts are just $14.99 after a $3 instant rebate, valid through June 8th. These shorts offer a clean, tailored look with a bit of stretch for extra comfort. I spotted 3 color options in store, so you've got choices whether you're dressing casual or heading out for a round of golf. Next up is the splendid women's short sleeve sweater, now just $9.99 thanks to a generous $5 instant rebate. Originally $14.99, this lightweight sweater offers a soft, stylish layer for the warmer season. And the best part? The location I filmed at had 4 color options available. Perfect if you're into mixing and matching, or just want a fresh new neutral. And now, for a breezy wardrobe pick. The Orvis Women's Linen Blend Short Sleeve Top is just $9.99 after a $2 discount. Lightweight and breathable, this linen blend top is perfect for warm days or casual layering. I spotted 4 different color options at the location I filmed, so there's definitely something for every style. A simple, comfy, and budget-friendly option for summer. Next up is the Puma Men's Skate Sneaker, currently marked down to just $24.99, thanks to a $5 instant rebate valid through May 26th. This sneaker features Puma's Soft Foam Plus insole for optimal comfort and cushioning, making it great for everyday wear or casual outings. At the location where I filmed, there were 2 different color options available, so you can pick the one that suits your style. Need a powerful fan that works both indoors and outdoors? This is it. The Shark 2-in-1 cordless fan is now $99.99 after a massive $40 instant rebate, valid through June 8th. With high-velocity airflow that can be felt from over 70 feet away, it's built for serious cooling. Use it corded or cordless, standing or tabletop. It adapts to your space. Whether you're chilling on the patio or cooling down your workout space, this fan's got you covered. Now here's a kitchen essential worth grabbing. This 18-piece Snapware Pyrex glass food storage set is down to just $19.99, thanks to a $5 instant rebate valid through June 8th. You get durable glass containers with locking lids that are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Great for leftovers, meal prep, or packing lunch without worrying about spills. This is one of those deals you'll thank yourself for later. The Tiger 5.5 cup rice cooker is back on sale at Costco for just $69.99 after a $20 instant rebate, valid through June 1st, 2025. Normally priced at $89.99, this popular model hasn't seen a discount like this since last December. With 10 cooking settings including rice, porridge, slow cook, and synchro cooking, this microcomputer-controlled rice cooker offers easy, versatile meal prep for any kitchen. The Tramontina ceramic non-stick cookware 12-piece set is now $109.99 after $50 off at Costco, regularly $159.99, valid through June 8th. The set includes 7 pots and pans, ranging from 8-inch to 12 skillets, saucepans, a deep sauté pan, and a stock pot. For lids, a stainless steel steamer insert, and 2 silicone utensils. It's a great value for anyone looking to refresh their kitchen with non-stick, easy-to-clean cookware that covers all the essentials. Next up, a household essential you'll always need. Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil, 2 rolls of 250 square feet each, is now just $17.99 after a $5.50 discount. That's a total of 500 square feet, perfect for grilling, baking, meal prep, or storing leftovers. If you go through foil like we do, this is definitely the time to stock up. For anyone gearing up for the outdoors this season, here's one you shouldn't skip. The Off Deep Woods Insect Repellent Pack is currently $13.99 after a $4 instant rebate. This 3-pack includes 2 6-ounce cans and a bonus 4-ounce can. It provides up to 8 hours of long-lasting protection against mosquitoes, ticks, gnats, and other biting insects. The Dry Touch formula means it dries quickly without leaving you greasy or sticky. Here's a fantastic deal for your summer outings. The Titan 26-can backpack cooler is now just $32.99 after a $7 discount. This cooler is super practical with a backpack design that keeps your hands free, and it holds up to 26 cans. Perfect for beach trips, picnics, camping, or even sporting events. Plus, it's built with high-performance insulation to keep your drinks and snacks cold for hours. I noticed 2 color options at my local Costco. If you need a reliable, easy-to-carry cooler, this is a solid pick at a great price. Next up is the JoJo's Dark Chocolate Bites. This 14.4-ounce bag is loaded with rich dark chocolate, almonds, pistachios, and cranberries, a satisfying combo with just the right amount of crunch and sweetness. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and designed to crush your cravings without the guilt. Now on sale for $8.49 after $3 off through June 8th. Next up is the Kellogg's Cracker Collection, a party snack essential, and it's just $8.89 after a $4 instant savings. Inside, you get a generous 52-ounce box featuring a delicious mix of Toasted's Buttercrisp, Club Original, Town House Original, and Toasted's Harvest Wheat. Whether you're building a cheese board, packing lunches, or just snacking straight from the box, there's something for everyone. Each variety has its own flavor and crunch profile, buttery, hearty, or crisp, making it a versatile crowd pleaser. This deal runs through June 8th, so don't miss it. For Doritos Nacho Cheese fans, here's a great Costco find. This giant 30 ounces party-size bag is now just $4.99, thanks to a $2 instant rebate, valid through June 8th, 2025. With around 30 servings per bag and 150 calories per serving, it's the perfect snack to stock up on for game nights, BBQs, or just to keep the pantry ready. This next one is actually a staple in our home. The Spindrift Sparkling Water 30-pack. It's made with real squeezed fruit like lemons, limes, and grapefruits. And for the first time in a long while, it's on sale. Normally $18.99, but right now it's down to $13.99 with instant savings. If you've been thinking of giving these a try or just want to stock up, now's the time. Don't miss this one. Next up is the Naked Juice Smoothie Variety Pack. Includes 12 bottles, 10 ounces each, with 4 popular blends like Strawberry Banana, Mighty Mango, Berry Blast, and Blue Machine, all made from 100% juice with no added sugar. Each bottle ranges from 140 to 180 calories and is packed with vitamins and fruit goodness, perfect for a quick breakfast or post-workout refresh. Now available at Costco for just $10.49 after $4.50 off, no limit. The Ensure Original Nutrition Shake 30-pack is currently available at Costco for just $34.99 after a $10 manufacturer's discount, valid through June 8th, 2025. Each 8 ounces vanilla-flavored bottle provides 220 calories, 9 g of protein, and essential vitamins and minerals to support energy, immune health, bone strength, and muscle function. It's a convenient and nutritious option for those needing a daily supplement, and it's also exclusive to Costco in this size. Need to refresh your toothbrush stash? The Oral-B Cross Action 8-pack is now just $10.99, down from $14.99. These brushes feature crisscross bristles, designed to attack plaque while being gentle on your gums. It's a great family-size deal with 8 soft bristle brushes in one pack. Stock up now while this $4 instant rebate is still live through June 8th. This 6-pack of Oral-B Glide Advanced Floss is now just $10.99 after a $4 instant savings at Costco. You get a total of 288.6 yards. That's 44 yards per pack. Designed with a micro-textured coating, this floss deep cleans between teeth and helps remove plaque in tight spaces. It's gentle, slides smoothly, and is especially great for people with crowded teeth. If you're stocking up on laundry essentials, Downy Soft April Fresh Liquid Fabric Softener is now just $11.49 after $3 off, normally $14.49, at Costco, good through June 8th. This big 150-ounce bottle delivers up to 257 loads, helping to keep your clothes soft and fresh with that classic Downy scent. The American Standard Slim Garbage Disposer is now just $79.99 after $20 off through June 8th, and it's a compact, yet powerful solution for tight kitchen spaces. With a 3/4 HP motor, quiet operation, and a slim undersink design, it's built for performance without bulk. It features a 3-bolt mount system for fast installation, a removable splash guard for easy cleaning, and BioShield odor protection. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a solid long-term investment for your kitchen. Hosting an outdoor event, or just need extra shade for summer, this Core 13-foot by 13-foot instant pop-up canopy is on sale for $129.99 at Costco. That's $40 off through June 8th. It offers 169 square feet of shade, sets up fast, and is perfect for beach days, backyard barbecues, or soccer sidelines. Easy to pop up, easy to pack away. Definitely a smart buy before peak summer hits. Next up is the Traeger Ridgeline XL Wood Pellet Grill, now $799.99 after a $100 instant rebate. This isn't just a grill. It's a grill, smoker, and oven in one. With Wi-Fi technology, you can control it from your phone. Whether you're slow smoking ribs, searing steaks, or baking pizza, this grill does it all. Wood-fired flavor made easy. If you've been waiting to upgrade your grilling game, this is your moment. This rebate runs through July 7th, so don't sleep on it. Next up is the Ravenna 7 feet 10 inches by 10 feet indoor-outdoor area rugs are back at Costco with a $25 discount, bringing the price down to just $54.99. These rugs are designed for all-weather durability and feature UV-resistant materials and hose cleanable surfaces. Perfect for patios, balconies, or even indoor spaces where you want something functional yet stylish. Multiple color and pattern options were available at the location I visited. Next up is the Hodo Cordless Spin Scrubber, might be your new best friend. With 6 interchangeable brush heads, a waterproof design IPX7, up to 110 minutes of runtime, and a USB-C rechargeable battery, it's built for convenience and serious scrubbing power. The extendable handle lets you reach high or low without bending over, making cleaning easier on your back. And right now it's $10 off at Costco, down to $39.99 through June 1st. And wrapping up today's video with the Swiffer Heavy Duty Dusters with handle 17 count, now marked down to $13.89 after $4 off. You get a handle and a big pack of refills. These are great for grabbing dust from blinds, baseboards, ceiling fans, all those tricky spots. If you found this video helpful, I'd truly appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly finds, and leave a comment. Even a quick thanks goes a long way in supporting the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.